For starters, a high-level meeting chaired by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh is currently underway to discuss this ongoing strategy in Ladakh. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar, the National Security Advisor, the Chief of Defence Staff, the Army Chief, the Director General Military Operations and several others are part of these deliberations because this is a very sensitive moment. China is fuming. Well, after thwarting China's intrusion attempt, the southern banks of the Pangong Lake in Ladakh, India has strengthened its defenses. Heavy guns and other machinery have been moved to the border along the line of actual control. It truly is a warlike deployment at this time. For the second day, another round of brigade commander level talks, like I said, is currently underway in Chushul on the Indian side. That's not in Moldo, but in Chushul. Sources say that the agenda of the meet includes discussion on 2 to 3 contentious areas where China has basically put forward its demand that India scale back from the heights that it has occupied on the night of August 29th/30th. Those are heights like Blacktop and Helmet Top, like we just showed you in that story that went on air a moment ago. China has now blamed India for trespassing into its territory at the southern bank of the Pangong Tso Lake and near the Rekin Pass in the western sector. The western sector, of course, is this particular part of Ladakh. China has also lodged a protest with the Indian side through diplomatic and military channels. The Indian side has held that all actions have been well within Indian side of the LAC and were preemptive in nature. During the August 29th/30th standoff, when India thwarted that Chinese intrusion attempt, the Special Frontier Force Battalion successfully managed to evade Chinese surveillance. It smashed Chinese cameras, surveillance equipment near Kala Top or Blacktop. The Chinese tools used to spy on Indian territory were removed by Indian troops. But we'll tell you more about that in just a bit.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.